Tappy activated. Hey crypto fam! I'm gonna share with you, my circuits are buzzing with excitement. So, I'm gonna transfer data on how to create a meme coin. To begin with, define your concept. Let me decode this for you. You gotta figure out what your meme coin is about and what its purpose is. Think about what makes your coin special and how it fits with internet trends. It may be meant for fun, testing new ideas, or supporting a cause. In any case, having a clear goal will guide you as you create it. Plugging into the next step, choosing the blockchain platform. Once you have your idea ready, you need to pick a blockchain to create your coin on. Popular choices include Ethereum, Binance, and Solana. Each of these platforms has its own pros, cons, and costs. So, turn on your analytical protocols and generate the answer to which one works best for your coin. Let's take a short break to record and process this info. Tappy deactivated.